them say them big, but them not hot. Them come like sweet pepper. Big and not hot. I want to them. Pump put them represent a pretty girl. I want to them.
Your blood clot and wait it more stink up my blood clot phone coming at your inbox. Dirty woman go beard and go at the blood clot park and go roll over one coat head and pick up some blood clot ambition. Dirty stinking woman. No call me blood clot name. Before a friend you had a friend woman named blood clot Susie and Steph. Because them cleaner than you know blood clot. Puss me not like dirty people, you know. Puss me not like girl with no beard. Pussy look stink no blood clot. Go buy blood clot ambition. Puss move your dirty shit up and cocky blood clot concubine. I don't even have a word for your blood clot. Put your common name down in your inbox. Dirty stinking woman. Last week Friday I did work. You made them fool you. Tell us if I go buy 4 blood clot idiot bag. You not even have no blood clot sense. Yeah? If you have blood clot sense, you could have known so you shouldn't throw 4 fuckery and an axe down. Down you want one of them bag, you move your pussy clot around them bag there. I prefer carry a Target blood clot bag more than walk with a shine blood clot bag there where you have a shine like when they're Jamaica and the blood clot sun shine pan the zinc. Hey stinking woman, I say for stop call me name. Eh? I don't know who are you two solicitor with you, you know. I did attack, you know. But somebody soon tell me, oh, my blood clot want them. Because they're supposed to have bomber ass clot sense. I know, say, there's no way that woman they were born and grow downtown blood clot Kingston would have really pick up herself and go in her pussy inbox. Dirty one draws, red draws, blood clot, stinking woman. You know, you must have a leg off of my blood clot tail. Eh? You know, you must have a leg off of my blood clot tail. Eh? Yeah? You hear the woman say her blood clot man say, she not for argue with you. Time to know what kind of girl that you shall argue with. And that the woman bomber ass clot say. And that Tanya say, a man say him no want hear her. A blood clot argue with you. Cause you look too bad. You favor that the boy bust some liberty for your blood clot and talk with your favor. The boy say you favor a gorilla without no blood clot head. The boy call you some bomber ass clot name. And the woman left IG. With the pussy clot you pick up my bomber clot name and I run with it. Leg off of my blood clot name, Duppy. Duppy, leg off of my blood clot name. And you know why you do it? Do you hear me say? Me now come back on the IG and nobody can draw me out. Move your blood clot and go. Me a Kingstonian, you fire bomber clot shot for me. Me a lick back shot from your blood clot. You think you go fire blood clot shot for me? And me running at the blood clot station. Me a bomber clot downtown Kingstonian blood clot Wyman Street, Rosemary Lane, Tel Aviv blood clot girl. You fire shot for me. Me a fire it back for your blood clot. Any girl and me a fight and them win one time. Them have to win 2 and 3 and many more bomber clot time. You hear, bitch? You hear? You understand? I'm gonna do jumping. Me no use girl and do jumping. If you stop me, now go to a bomber clot station. Me I see and rinse up back your blood clot after me grow. Pussy old stinking woman. Me say for stop call me blood clot name. Hey, I have a barrel behind me door with pay blood clot clothes. I want to show it out of the road. I make you come shop out tight blood clot. Me hear them and say, boy, Dan look good, you know. Me not tell her that you're a big man, Dan look good. Your blood clot jumping. Not better than me when you're Jamaica. Stinking dirty woman. Where your teeth dropping at the blood clot shit. And you gotta tell us if you make it bomber clot stay. You pick it up and rinse it off with little water and put in your blood clot mouth. You know, in a category, move your blood clot and go. Eh? Stop calling my blood clot name stinking woman. Your fever went 2 dogs dropping our blood clot tire and it a blaze. Stop calling my blood clot name. But down one friend you. You right to know? Down in my inbox, one friend me. But if Don want friend me, Don have a friend. I want to light your old blood clot team of fire. I want to light to no bomber clot of fire. But Don have a idiot woman. A idiot stinking woman. Don't come ring up my bomber clot name. You hear me I tell you? Don't ring my blood clot name, come my name Annabella. When you call me blood clot name, you understand? Say good clothes down and good bag and good shoes and look good blood clot big woman down. Don't pussy clot call me down neither. Cause down from a friend of my blood clot company. Not for gross might like uno. When you saw now fuck on the can't show no bumbo clamp man and at 3 years down they on IG. Nobody can ever look on a blood clot foot different from a blood clot and kind of dirty. We no go nail shop, we no go dentist, we no go gynecologist. Move your stinking blood clot rat hole puss and move your blood clot and go and don't call me name. Yeah? To your blood clot here, me say me done the war with you. Not even with blood clot you. Me say me done the war on IG. Me never call your blood clot name. Workless dog shit, stinking woman. You're coming like when dog blood clot dead. I want blood clot but I pay flyer big on him. Binky linky 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 link. Stinking woman got beard. And I final this snag you. Blood clot every time. I say my bumbo clot done and gone. The woman see me in my nice clean clothes them. The woman see me in my blood clot good dress. The woman jump out. Don't dress name dancing with the blood clot star. Then it have to name blood clot dancing with the star because stars are celebrity. She come back again and say, oh Donna Vaughan our dress for favor Fred and Flintstone and Barney. If a blood clot favor Fred and Flintstone and blood clot Barney because them are blood clot celebrity. A lot of people in the world blood clot watch them. Oh, watch your thinking, woman. You come on IG, come think up IG and make pure bumbo clot travel. And that's all you're good for. Go around and pick clean people, nice people. People that come from them nice job. You understand? I have them nice clothes for people give a bus. Stinking woman. I want to give a bus in them. And I bust something in your blood clot. You ever say for where? Me say. If you did blood clot, live over, yes sir. Thinking woman, me I tell you say, you couldn't come out of your house. Because if you live right, yes sir, you have to look for me over this sir. You understand? Let me show you. If you live right, blood clot, yes sir, you hear me fully blood clot, mad. If you live right, morning. And look if you see me over this sir, I done this sir, stinking woman, you think me a pussy. You hear about Tel Aviv and bumbo clot spoilers it. Dirty stinking woman. Now you say for where? You don't have no shame. You jump out of your blood clot. Dirty house one day. So you come bring my blood clot down. I'm going to go so boom and jump up. When I jump up, I want blood clot $1,000 I get from for Jesus. For Jesus, yeah. One blood clot on the big woman, nice blood clot and trending. You understand this big dirty steerbad rampus gully blood clot puss girl one blood clot stop. You know what? Take your drawers and your one red drawers and hang yourself shit house. Everything you're in everything you're in you understand? Have no shame. You have no shame at all. You have cuss with everybody where you cuss with look better than you. Everybody where you cuss with have something you don't have nothing. But you're gone for bag. You can't bring back story to me. You can't bring back the amount of bag when my blood clot have. I can't even know them. You understand? I can put my phone here so I'll give you 2 more minutes before I'm going to my house. Stinking woman. The amount of bag my blood clot have. Me no know them. My daughter young blood clot girl she have bags. My granddaughter is a nice young girl, look a young girl. She have bags. Kiana have bags. Me have bags. The amount of bags we have. I don't even know them. My daughter and daughter like fear one them, you know. You understand? Them people got them blood clot work and have up them good blood clot credit. You understand? Drive them blood clot car. Have ambition. Stinking woman, you know, you say for where? Dirty woman, you know, you say for leg off from a blood clot color. May I tell you, my friend? You understand?